Yechuri and Raja should spend a day at Siachen Glacier. Do pro-Pakistani ideologies in the Indian opposition parties ever think of their soldiers' life on Siachen Glacier to prevent its enemies from any misadventure? If the Narendra Modi government at the centre has any spine, they should send the Kashmiri separatists like Gilani and Yasin Malik beside the left party leaders of both CPM and CPI, Sitaram Yechuri and D. Raja, to Siachen Glacier for a day or two to get better wisdom. This is what our soldiers at Siachen go through, spending their lives under trying conditions in a bid to defend our borders. 1. In the last 30 years, 846 soldiers have sacrificed their life at Siachen due to extreme climate and hostile terrain conditions. 2. Temperatures fall below -60 degrees and sudden blizzards can bury field artillery in minutes. 3. Only 10% of oxygen is available in Siachen than it is in plains. 4. Snowstorms on Siachen Glacier can last for as long as 3 weeks. Winds here can touch speeds of 100 mph in no time. Annual snowfall in Siachen can be well over 3 dozen feet. 5. Soldiers at Siachen are at risk of getting frostbite if their bare skin touches any metallic object for more than 15 seconds. Fainting spells and pounding headaches are frequent. 6. Indian soldiers who stay at the altitude for long suffer from weight loss, loss of appetite, sleep disorders and memory loss. Speech blurring is obvious. 7. Rations come to soldiers at Siachen out of tin cans. An orange or an apple can freeze to the hardness of a cricket ball in no time. 8. Army pilots literally push their helicopters well beyond their optimal performance to drop supplies at forward posts located at an altitude of more than 20,000 feet. 9. During the last 3 years alone, 50 Indian soldiers are reported to have died on the Siachen Glacier. 10. Indian Army spends as much as 80% of its preparing soldiers of deployment for Siachen protection. 11. A war memorial on the banks of the Nubra River has the names of Indian soldiers who laid down their lives on the glacier. 12. In fact, Indian and Pakistani armies have been fighting a no-win war on the 20,000-foot high Siachen Glacier, the world's highest battleground. In that backdrop, should any Indian worth his salt dare criticize Indian Army? This is MS Purti for Orange News 9.